Okay, warning, what you're about to see could be a little bit scary, so if you're weak at heart, this may not be the video for you. Now, we're going to look at ordered analytics and the row number command. And we're going to have a stored procedure that calls another stored procedure. What we really want to do here is we want to find out in our claims table the first claim and the last claim that an individual has put in for their claims. Everything in the middle is gone. We're going to create two temporary tables, and then we're going to use the ordered analytic row number. And remember, with ordered analytics, they're called ordered analytics because you control the sort order of the data and how it's processed. So you're going to have a chance to get much better with these ordered analytics. And I'm going to show you how to get the first and the last claim only.
We're going to create a procedure called toTemp1, and it's going to select columns from the claims table, but it's going to do a row number, which is going to first partition, which means reset the row number, but sort by claim date ascending. And this should put things from first claim to last claim with a row number of 1, 2, 3, and so on. In the second temporary table, we're going to actually reverse the order and get claim date descending. So we'll start the row numbers 1, 2, 3 with the last claim and the previous claim. And we're going to call another stored procedure. Temp1 calls Temp2. We create this, run it in parallel. Now we're going to get a warning that says there is no Temp2 stored procedure. This can't successfully run until that's created, but it doesn't error. It just gives you a warning that before you try to run this or execute it, Temp2 better exist. So let's create Temp2 right now. Remember, this can use both those temporary tables in Temp2 that were created in Temp1. I'll set my database, use SQL class. You cannot put that statement inside a stored procedure. So we've done that here. Now we create the procedure toTemp2 right now, and it's going to select everything from the first claim temporary table where row first equals 1, all right? And that's going to give us the first claim of each individual subscriber member or individual person. Then we're going to union that, and we're going to select the last claim where the row last equals 1. So this is going to give us the first and the last claim of each individual. So let's execute toTemp1. It creates the temporary tables, calls Temp2, and that will then extract where the row numbers are 1 for both the first and the last claim. And that's what we've done right here. This report will show us a wide variety of information, but the bottom line is it's giving us the first claim and the last claim per individual user, which is a subscriber number and a member number. So as you can see here, subscriber 1,000,001 with member 1 had the first claim and last claim. This is subscriber 2, which has the first claim and the last claim, and so on. That's how you do it with the row number and two different stored procedures.
You're going to see another advanced example of how to pivot data. We're going to actually take sales data and sum it up and then put it all on one line per day. This is going to be nice. Check this out.
Here's another great pivoting example. We'll call this pivot sales data. We're going to select the daily sales and the sale date, put it in a temporary table called sales temp. That will be around all session long. Now we're going to select everything from We're going to get the sale date, and we're going to sum the daily sales from our sales temp table. And we're going to group it by the sale date. But we want to pivot this data so that we can get everything on one line. So we're going to pivot the sum of the sales sum above for the sale date, and we can list the order of the days we want, and we'll put it in as date pivot. We create the stored procedure, execute in parallel because we have a temporary table, and then we're going to execute this. It's going to be very, very simple. Watch this. This is going to come out really nice. Execute, pivot, sales, data, and here we go. It comes out in the exact order we told it to with the pivot, and those are the sum of daily sales for each individual day.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. If you have questions, we have answers. Check out coffingdw.com for some great offers on our training books. Unleash the genius within.